Imagine a tiny, transparent drop that seems harmless. But what if I told you that this drop has the power to end hundreds of lives? Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? Well, know that this is real. And in this video, you'll discover the ranking of the deadliest substances ever known. Get ready to explore incredible curiosities about the science behind these dangers and what makes them so deadly. Now, a warning. Some of these substances might be closer to you than you think, hidden in nature or even in your everyday life. Want to know how something so small can be so powerful? Stay until the end and discover the fascinating world of chemistry and biology behind these poisons. Shall we begin? Have you ever wondered what truly defines whether something is dangerous to human life? Toxicity, for example, is measured based on how much of a substance is required to cause harm, a concept called LD50. In other words, the smaller the required dose, the more lethal the substance. Think of it like the effect of a single drop of snake venom, which can be more lethal than liters of another, less potent compound. These details help science understand and classify how dangerous each substance is. But the story doesn't end there. Even things we consider harmless can become dangerous in excess. Did you know that even water can be deadly? It sounds strange, but drinking liters upon liters in a short period can cause a condition called water intoxication. This is just a glimpse of how context matters as much as chemistry. Now, imagine what this means for substances 1,000 times more dangerous. Ready to meet the champions of this ranking? Let's move on. Welcome to a world where the smallest elements can hide the greatest dangers. Get ready to discover the deadliest substances ever found, a true parade of perils that challenge our understanding of the power of science and nature. As we climb this ranking, the suspense builds, revealing the darkest secrets of each one. In 10th place, toxin. Imagine a toxin so powerful it can stop your heart within minutes. Toxin is produced by dinoflagellates, tiny marine organisms invisible to the naked eye. It accumulates in seafood and, when ingested, causes heart failure and death. Think about it. Something that seems so remote, hidden in the ocean depths, could be on someone's plate, waiting to strike. In 9th place, aflatoxin. Next is a silent killer. Aflatoxin, produced by fungi, is found in improperly stored foods like grains and peanuts. It has no smell, color, or taste but is extremely dangerous, causing irreversible liver damage and even cancer. Imagine eating something seemingly harmless, not knowing that each bite is an invisible threat to your health. In 8th place, polonium-210. Now, we enter the realm of radiation. Polonium-210 is a radioactive element that destroys the body from within. Just a tiny amount can cause irreversible damage, as in the famous case of ex-spy Alexander Litvinenko, who died in agony after being poisoned with this substance. It has no smell, no taste, but its presence is lethal. In 7th place, tetrodotoxin. Our next poison comes from the depths of the sea. Tetrodotoxin, found in pufferfish, blocks nerve signals, causing total paralysis. The most intriguing part, in countries like Japan, this fish is considered a delicacy, requiring highly trained chefs to prepare it safely. One poorly cut slice could be someone's last meal, literally. The suspense is palpable as the dish is served. In 6th place, VX. Imagine a poison that doesn't need to be ingested to kill. VX is a nerve agent so potent that a single drop on the skin is enough to paralyze the entire body. Developed as a pesticide, it ended up being used as a chemical weapon. Its invisibility makes it even more terrifying. You don't realize it's there until it's too late. In 5th place, cyanide. Fast and relentless, cyanide interferes with the cell's ability to use oxygen, leading to death within minutes. This substance is infamous for its use in executions and historical assassinations. The curious part is that small amounts of cyanide can be found in fruit seeds like apples, though at harmless levels. It's chilling how something so common can have such a dark side. In 4th place, Sarin. Here, the danger is inhaled. Sarin gas is a deadly nerve agent capable of killing in seconds. It works by disabling enzymes essential for the nervous system, leading to uncontrollable muscle spasms and suffocation. Historical cases, such as the Tokyo subway attack in 1995, demonstrated the devastating impact of this substance and the fear it can cause. In third place, dioxin. Dioxin is an industrial byproduct with alarming toxicity. In minimal doses, it can cause cancer, genetic mutations, and chronic diseases. The disaster in Seveso, Italy, highlighted its dangers, causing deformities in animals and humans exposed to it. Its ability to accumulate in the environment makes it a silent, persistent, and invisible enemy. In second place, ricin. Ricin is a lethal protein extracted from castor beans. Just a microscopic dose is enough to cause organ failure within hours. The famous Bulgarian umbrella case, where an agent was assassinated with a ricin capsule, highlights how this substance is a preferred choice in conspiracies and espionage. In first place, botulinum toxin. Finally, at the top of the list, botulinum toxin. Just 1 nanogram per kilogram of body weight is enough to cause death, making it the most deadly substance known. The most intriguing part, it's also used in small doses for cosmetic and medical purposes, such as Botox. A fascinating paradox, a toxin that can both enhance beauty and kill. Isn't it terrifying to think that something so deadly is also present in clinics worldwide? After exploring this fascinating and frightening ranking, there's only one question left. What will you do with this knowledge? Knowing that the world is full of lethal substances might seem alarming, but it also empowers us. The power to understand, protect ourselves, and even transform these threats into solutions. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, and keep exploring this fascinating universe of science, technology, and curiosities with us. The next video promises even more incredible revelations, perhaps something that could even change the way you see the world. See you there.